Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Nuala Black and of course this is Foxy at 50. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today I'm going to show you how to highlight the different body parts so that they show up looking more defined and more toned, even if you haven't seen the inside of a gym for a long time. And even if you are really toned, then it will really emphasize all that hard work. So I'm going to be showing you how to do the legs, the arms, the shoulders, and the very important collarbone. I'm using a Charlotte Tilbury. It's called Supermodel Body. Obviously, whatever makeup brand you use, I'm sure they do one, but this one I particularly like, so I'm going to show you how this looks. And it's really quite simple, but you have to make sure that you've exfoliated and moisturized, really buff your skin so that it's as smooth as it can possibly be. And then you're good to go. I put on a false tan last night, and that really helps to show up the highlighter a bit more. But even on light skin it works pretty well. I think this has got a bit of a lock on it. So anyway, starting with the legs, you're just going to apply, there it is, up the leg. That's maybe a bit much, and a little bit wider, just sort of on the bone. Okay. Oh, it's up to you how far you go up. You see that? Probably applied a bit too much. And then what you want to do is tap it. Don't brush it, tap it. I'm going to put a bit on that leg because I've got a bit too much. Came out a bit faster than I thought. And that's just the place where the light would naturally pick it up. But if you brush it, then it can just rub away. And you can even put a little bit on the side, just where the either side of the hollow. A bit on that. I hope the camera picks that up all right. From my side, it's incredibly shiny. It's really, really nice. Okay, that's about that. I'll do the other side now. That's probably about enough. Say that and put more on. To say you can put a little bit there as well. For handsome strangers walking by can see the side of your legs and think how toned and defined they look. So I hope you can see that all right on the camera. Okay, so that's the legs. So then I'm going to do the shoulder, and you just literally want to put it on the ball of your shoulder, and again just tap. Again, that's where the light will pick it up. And then you just want to go down the center front of the arm. You can even maybe do a knuckle because it sort of helps define the wrist, making the wrist look a bit slimmer. If you can see the bone, then obviously it's got to make your wrist look a bit slimmer. that. The other side. Should have took my watch off. And so it's very simple, very quick. The prep is probably what's going to take the longest. And now the collarbone, I'm just going to grab my mirror for this. And I can see a little bit better there, maybe a bit more to the shoulder. I'm not very good at less is more. I tend to pile it on once I see something that I like. And that's it. And if you wanted to, mine are quite defined, but if you wanted to, you could put some dark foundation on either side of the bone and then just have the highlighter going on the actual top of the bone, and that will emphasize your collarbone even more. So I hope you can see that. I'm all done. And if you've got any questions, just let me know. Just put them in the comments box and I will of course get back to you. If you would like notifications of when the next video comes out, then just ring the little bell. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next time, I'm Nuala Black. This is Foxy at 50. Stay safe, happy, healthy and well. Bye bye.